Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for vintage clothing and accessories business easy and quick. So as you know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here you have to do, you have to start for free so you can get started free. Now let's get started. It will take you to the dashboard. Okay, so this is, as you see, this is the dashboard. Here we're gonna set up your website and storefront. So click here, set up your website and storefront. It will take you to the editor page. So here we're gonna design, customize your site. Go to the settings and go to the templates. Okay, now uh, select the templates you wanna use. So for the vintage in the clothing business, I think um, okay, I'm gonna choose this one here. So the first thing here you have to do, you have to go to the header in the menu and change everything here. So start with the business name, so enter here your business name. Now you can manage here the navigation menu, so you can delete all this menu items and you can add yours. And after this, go to the design. You have to try your best to make your site look attractive, so make sure don't forget the simple details, okay, like the font and like the size, like the color. So this simple details, it's more important to make your site looks attractive so anyone can visit your site. And also the background, so everything here might be attractive to the customer. So that's it. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the cover and the headline. So you have to add here the tagline and the title, and also you have to change or add your description. So for example, you can introduce to your customers your brand. So for example, you can type welcome to our site for vintage clothing and accessories, just like this. That's it. And if you want to change the image, go to the browser and search on vintage clothing. Okay, so select here any image you like. So for example, I'm gonna select this one. Okay, so after this, go to the design and choose your favorite layout and choose your change the title, title design. Okay, the color and the description. That's it. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the next section. So here you have to change the title and the subtitle and the description. Here you can talk about your business or your services and why should your customers buy from you or use your services, and your product and what makes your product unique. So that's it. Now the same thing in the layout, choose your favorite layout, so nothing special here. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the next section, the image section. So after you add the tagline and the title and the description, you have to change also the image. Okay, That's it. After this, go to the design and select your favorite layout. So the same thing as normal, nothing special here. Now let's just go back and let's move on to the customer reviews. So you can add the review text, can change the author name and the, the author text. You can also add the image on the background and choose your favorite layout here on the design. That's it. Now let's move on to the store section. So here you have to create your product. To do that, go back to the dashboard and click here at your products or services. So as you see here, click on new products. Okay, here you have to add the products gallery, the name of your products, the ref, the weight on kilogram. You can customize here the prices options. Also you can here enter the description of your product, so don't forget the description of your product. So after you're done from here this section, you can just save this place here and go back to the editor and complete here the design of the background, the title and the product name, the product image and the product price. So that's it. Now let's go back, let's move on to the next section. So here you can delete this section if you don't like it, if you don't you don't need it. Also you can, here you have to add the selling points. Okay, that's it. The same thing in the design, choose your favorite design. Now let's move on to the image and the tagline. So of course you have to change this image, you have to add the description, the tagline and also the title. So that's it. This is depends on your business, so you can type whatever you like for your business. Okay, so for example I'm gonna choose this image here. Okay, so now go to the design and the same thing as normal, choose your favorite layout here. The background, the same thing. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the delivery information. The same thing here. You have to change the title, the subtitle and the description. Now let's move on to the contacts. So here you have to change the description, the title and the image. You have to add your business address. Okay, and also you have to add the daily hours, the contact information and the social profiles. And then the design here, I rather to choose this one here of the map in the background, and you can complete here the design of these sections here. Okay, now let's go back, let's move on now the next section. So the last section here, the footer section, enter here your company name for the copyright. And if you want to add something new, you can just click here add section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. So that's it. After you're done from here designing your website, you can just publish your website and you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.